Google AdWords display is the advertising we can do in GDN. GDN is the Google Display Network. It's a lot of websites that cooperate with Google so as to let you put your ads inside them. So you can find in a lot of websites the Google AdWords ads, and you can choose with 7 different ways on how to target people on these websites. It's a very complicated system that gives you a lot of options, and you can choose these options. We can going to see step by step how to choose the right options to target the right audience for you, for your business, and so as to have more sales and have high return on investment campaigns. GDN is a great network of websites, mobile apps, and news websites where you can find this sort of ads. You can put your ads in this place. So here we're going to check step by step how to create your great display advertising. First of all, we have to analyze our options, our 7 ways of targeting the audience. And of course, in this session, we are going to create some great remarketing and dynamic remarketing campaigns.